Hello everyone, this is Jag. In this video, I'm growing a lot of mustard. Mustard is one of the winter hardy vegetables you can grow, and you can start planting mustard in the end of summer and it will grow all throughout fall and winter. So let's get started.
Mustard seeds are very small. They look similar to cauliflower and radish seeds. To start planting, make a row by running a trowel through the dirt. The depth for planting should be about half an inch deep. The rows should be 9 inches apart for maximum yield. Drop the seeds in rows. Be sure not to plant seeds too close. Since mustard seeds are very small, it is very easy to plant seeds very close to each other. The width between the seeds should be at least 2 to 3 inches. After planting, cover the seeds and water. I made sure I label my growing bed as well. After 10 days, the mustard plants emerge and the plants are about an inch tall. Mustard seeds have a very high germination rate and it does not take much for mustard plants to grow. Mustard plants also grow at a very fast rate, which makes it easier to manage weeds as well. Tender leaves soon emerge and the leaves have a very earthy and pleasant fragrance. After 3 weeks, mustard plants are about 4 inches tall. The best way to water mustard plants is by flooding the bed with water. Let the water stand in the bed and penetrate deep into the roots. Depending on the temperature, you only have to water once or twice a week. After 5 weeks, the mustard plants are about a foot tall. Mustard leaves can be harvested throughout the growing cycle. However, it is preferred to wait until the plants are about 18 inches or about 1.5 feet tall. You can easily get rid of weeds around plants by hand. However, I use dead leaves as mulch around my plants to suppress the weeds from growing. Dead leaves make a great weed blocker and in turn add organic matter to the soil and also lock in the moisture in the soil by preventing water from evaporating. Mustard leaves are mostly pest resistant. However, occasionally you might see holes in the leaves caused by caterpillars and beetles. To remedy the situation, spray the mustard leaves with neem oil and soap solution. Be sure to spray the underside of the leaves as well. Neem oil and soap solution is a great organic method to deal with soft body insects. Mustard plants will send shoots of flowers. If you're not ready to pick the mustard leaves yet, simply pinch off the flowers to direct the plant's energy into growing leaves. After 6 weeks of growing, mustard plants are about 1.5 feet tall and they are ready to be harvested. At this point, we do not need to get rid of the flowers since the flowers of mustard plants are edible as well. Simply use scissors or shears to cut the mustard stem and leave about 6 inches of stem in the ground. Mustard plants will regrow and keep producing leaves.
Well, check out all this mustard, but this video is not done yet. I need to make a dish. It's a very traditional Indian Punjabi dish called Saag paneer. And after that, this video will be complete.
To make saag, I picked the mustard leaves from the thick stems and added the mustard leaves to a tub to wash. I got rid of some of the thick and tough stems, and these stems will be used in the compost pile. My wife and I followed my mom's recipe to make saag. The saag turned out to be really good. Making saag with fresh mustard grown in your own backyard is an experience in itself. Punjabi culture is rich in food, especially vegetarian food, and saag is one of the most traditional dishes you can have. The traditional way to eat saag is with pieces of radish and makki di roti, which is corn tortillas. This is the definition of farm to table. This is how our ancestors used to eat, directly from farm or garden to the table and then onto the plate.
I'm no expert in making saag. I just hope I did justice to those mustard leaves. If you want to learn more about this recipe, I'll leave a link to a video by John Mahal. He's Punjabi, he lives in Punjab, he has a YouTube channel and makes traditional Indian Punjabi dishes. I hope you like this video and I hope this inspires you to grow your own mustard leaves. And I'll see you in another video.